So this is a different method that I've been using to remove the tail off of the Florida crawfish, the Florida lobster, Florida spiny lobster. And it's pretty easy and you get a considerable amount more meat. Normally you're taking the lobster and you're just wrenching the head off and you lose quite a bit of meat from inside the body. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly why and how. So first thing you do is rip off the legs, one side, the other side, and do the same. So there, I pretty much got the lungs, a lot of the body off. Sometimes that all comes off, sometimes it doesn't. Pop the carapace off. You can see a lot more meat on the inside of the animal than you would typically if you were to basically just wrench it off. And you slightly pull it off and you got a considerable amount more meat towards the top of the tail. And do the old faithful, pop the antenna off, insert it into the pooper hole, twist and pull. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but there you go. That's, yeah, not saying it's the right way, but it's the way I do it from now on. There you have it. See if I can do it real quick with this one. Old lady's gonna kill me, but that's what we got bleach for. And there you have it, folks. Hopefully it works for y'all. If not, keep using the traditional method. But I'm not saying it's the right way to do it. I'm just saying it's my way of doing it. Thanks for watching.